During jury selection, one of the jurors blurts out, "I don't believe that any injured victim is entitled to get any money whatsoever." What do I do as the trial attorney in that instance? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. So now, I know immediately that there's a very good likelihood I'm going to be removing that juror from jury selection. And we do that one of two ways. Either using a peremptory challenge where I don't have to give any reason whatsoever. I have 3 of those opportunities. Or a challenge for cause, which means that now I'm going to ask the judge to remove this juror so that now I don't have to use one of the 3 challenges that I have. But now I'm going to use this juror as a teaching point to everybody else. Plus, I'm also going to be asking the other people in the room whether or not they have similar beliefs. This particular juror may have tainted the entire jury pool. So now I need to ask each one of these potential jurors whether or not they have the same beliefs. Mr. Jones, what do you think about that? Mrs. Gonzalez, what do you think about that? Do you agree with that particular juror? Yes or no? And if they do, I'm going to ask them why. And now I'm going to use it as a teaching point and challenge each one of them and show them that an injured victim has every right to go ahead and bring a lawsuit. And if it turns out that we are more likely right than wrong, and we are successful in showing that we're more likely right than wrong, that somebody did something incorrect, improper, was careless, and that was a direct cause of an injury that this person suffered, now they are legally entitled to be compensated for the harms and losses that they've suffered. So I use that as a teaching point, knowing full well that I will likely be removing that particular individual, but it's critical to identify whether or not other jurors have the same beliefs. So why do I share this great information with you? I share with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on during jury selection in a case involving medical malpractice or accidents or even wrongful death. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.